Get ready to learn how to make your own natural tomato paste. Now look, get some fresh tomatoes, some good carrots and wash them nicely, and some, yes, this is beetroots to give it color, bell peppers as well, and you have some bay leaves. Then just a piece of cinnamon would do some good for you. Yes. And it's very important to get all these ingredients because it will help it to become thick and consistent and red as you want. Then ensure that you get your pan ready, and it should be on medium heat. Just put all your ingredients in there, just like you're seeing in the video. Please do not pour water on this. And remember that you have to de-seed all the ingredients with seeds, like the bell pepper and the tomatoes as well, because you do not want any hard seeds in your paste. You want something very smooth, and also pack them inside. You know that tomatoes have a lot and lots of liquid in there, so it's just going to do the magic. Just cover it nicely and set on medium heat, and it's going to boil. So this one came to me and said that, oh, my daughter, I have diabetes and I've been trying and it's not working. I've been taking my medications, doing dieting, and oh, hey, it's still not working. And I asked her that, how are you eating? She says, oh, I like rice and stew. Yes, a lot of rice and stew, and yet she uses, tomato paste. And she says she used the commercial one. And I told her that, hey, have you been reading the labels? It has a lot of sugar. Oh, that tomato paste you are buying from the market, it has a lot of, sugars, cornstarch. So eventually it ends up in sugar, even when you've eaten it. But you see how we prepare this one. You can make it at home, can even make some to sell. This proper evaporated, healthy tomato paste that you can make yourself and keep. And as we have blended it and evaporated it a little on the fire, we are now putting everything in a seal, and we'll freeze it and use it when we need it. The one on the other side, yes, I had to put it in an oven as well to help evaporate it. And you have your natural tomato paste. Yes, this is the one I put in the oven, and it also helps to evaporate it nicely, and the taste is just amazing. It's nicer than the one you're buying on the market.